Okay, what's up guys? Ronsas TV here. Another day, another Hot Wheels to unbox. So for today's video guys, let's unbox this Hot Wheels Formula 1 edition. Ito yung mga Formula 1 guys. So for today's video, ayan. Ito yung i-unbox natin. So ito na, here it is. Alright, wow. Ito ay isang pack guys ng Formula 1 Hot Wheels. So ayan, so 5 yan guys, nakaisa-isang pack. So puro F1 cars yan. Yan ang ating i-unbox. So sige, tara, dito na natin to i-unbox sa ibabaw siguro or sa ilalim. Let's see, tingnan natin kung saan mas madali na hindi masisira yung box. Okay, so ayan, tingnan natin. I think dito na lang siguro sa taas. Wala tayong makita eh. Dito ko na lang siguro buksan sa ibabaw para at least maganda pa rin yung yung pagkakabukas. Ayan. I-cut natin yan dyan. Ayan, sinubukan ko gamitan ng ating ATM card para mabuksan. Ayan, so yun, nabuksan na natin. So ayan, tingnan natin. Wow, look at this. This is my first Formula 1 pack guys ng Hot Wheels. So isa-isahin natin to guys. Ayan. Okay, so saan tayo magsisimula? Siguro sa taas o sa baba? Tingnan natin. Sige, sa taas na lang. So, tingnan natin dito sa taas. Okay, wow. Look at this. Ooh, this is very nice, guys. So ang scale nito is 1:64. Ayan, meron siyang bronze, wheels. Okay. Ganda. Oh, medyo lang yung madulas yung kanyang wheels. So and very plastic yung set na to guys. So ayan, so tingnan natin naman yung isa. Let's see. What is this? Okay, BWT naman ito, pero pare-pareho silang itsura guys Pare-pareho yung style nila. Different lang is yung kanyang decals and color ng wheels. Ito naman is with blue and white, BWT. Yan, very plasticky yung kanyang yung kanyang base o yung kanyang make nung F1 na to. Ito naman next is a Visa naman to, style, pero same, pareho ng hulma, same style ng F1. Ayan, ito ay blue and white din with red wheels. Yan, so ito yung pangatlo. Then next natin is yung pang-apat. For the fourth one, eto, wow, green and black naman to with white color decals. Kick naman tong isang to, and still the same style, same kind of F1 car. And that's the fourth one. And last but not the least, this one with white wheels. Wow, okay, ang ganda. Black and white. Ayan, look at that. Very nice F1 collection. So, yan yung guys ang aking F1 collection. So, here are my F1 collection guys in one pack. Ayan sila. Ang ganda. Very nice set of F1 cars. I think I'm gonna buy some more of this kind of F1 cars. Siguro may mga different styles to. And yeah, so if you want to buy this kind of pack guys, you can probably find this in your local toy stores for wherever you are guys. So look for this F1 collection pack. All right, so bye.